Hello, Charlie. Do you want to play ball? Let's play basketball. How about I put it over here? Can you put it in your basket? Oh, almost. Where did it go? It's here. Let's try it again. How about again? Get your ball. Get your ball. No, you can't get it through the hole, silly. It won't work like that, will it? How about sideways? Can you get your ball? Come on. Put it in the basket. Come on. Can't go through there, can you? Good boy, Charlie. Clever boy. Try again. Go get your ball. Where's your ball? Turn around. Put it in the basket. Come on. Put it in the basket, Charlie. Come on. Good boy. That's a good boy, Charlie. Whoops. Good boy, Charlie. One more time. One more time. Put it in the basket. Oh, it was too fast. But you do get one for getting it. Atta good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Can you wave? Can you wave, Charlie? Hello. Can you wave? See you later. Bye. Wave. Come on. Yeah, as a good boy.